Heyo everyone, I'm Jay from Boulder Creek Railroad, and today I will be showing you this 3D printed Southern Pacific Tavern Lounge, Coffee Shop, or Hamburger Grill car. In 1949, the Southern Pacific had 5 coffee shop lounge cars constructed. 3 were painted in the Golden State colors, and 2 were painted for the city of San Francisco. In 1955, the Southern Pacific pulled the 3 Golden State cars out of that consist and rebuilt them into Hamburger Grill cars. They were repainted for the silver and red striped Cascade scheme. These cars lasted into the Amtrak era, and a few survived in preservation to this day. I wanted an interesting piece of Southern Pacific railroading to add to my 1958 Cascade train. I thought that this car would add an interesting change to a consist made up of almost entirely sleeper cars. The model was resin 3D printed with an interior and underbody detailing. The car is designed to take Microtrain's passenger car trucks with either body-mounted or truck-mounted couplers. If you are a fan of the Southern Pacific, Rock Island, or Union Pacific, this car is a must-have for your collection. STL files are available on my Colts 3D page, and a link is in the description. More Southern Pacific Cascade cars are to come, so stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed, and happy railroading.